Hi, I wanted to tell you about these metal magnetic chip clips that I got. I received these from the company so that I could show you different ways to use them and show you how strong they are. So they come in this box that has little latches on it, and there are 12. I do have a couple of them out already. So let me just show you. First, we just start with just your average bag of chips with a chip clip on it. And then the other thing I wanted to show you was this little, it's a little collection of cards. And this is a chip clip like what you might be used to that you see at a grocery store. It does have a magnet, but look at this. It won't stay on my fridge. Now, if I take this off and I put the metal magnetic chip clip on there, easy. It's so much stronger for a magnet than any other chip clips that I've ever used. So really, really nice. Let me show you where else you can use it. So now I'm in my garage and we have this tall red tool chest. Fits real easy. You can see my husband has other things that hang here, so he can use these heavy duty clips here. I've got a fridge here, which we've already seen, a refrigerator. And then I've got this steel door that goes out to the back, and we can use these here as well. So wherever you can do a magnet, these will do really well for you. So yeah, we recommend these heavy duty, just very powerful magnet chip clips, and then some. Thanks. If you like this video, please click the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of really cool products like this, please click subscribe. Thanks.